Today on Amazon Unboxing, we're going to be reviewing a product generating over $19,000 per month in revenue with only 10 reviews.
You're not going to want to miss it.
What's going on, everyone? I'm your host, Joel Popoff from the Jungle Market.
And I'm your host, Adam Zlotnick from Jumpson, and you're watching Amazon Unboxing.
It's a show where we take new, everyday items sold on Amazon with high monthly revenue and low reviews, and we tear them apart to inspire you to replicate their success. So, Adam, let's jump right on into it. Tell the people what we're unboxing today.
Joel, today we're going to be unboxing the silicone soap molds kit. This product does over 1,100 sales per month, over $19,000 in monthly revenue. It only has 10 reviews.
Oh my gosh, that's like next to no reviews,
Yeah.
and they're making over almost $20,000 a month.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's amazing.
So to find this product, Joel, we used the Jungle Scout web app. We set the monthly revenue high, the reviews low. We came across this interesting niche of silicone soap molds, and we wanted to find out more. So we ran the Chrome extension. We realized that this had a pretty good opportunity score.
Yep.
So we ordered the product so we could play around.
Adam, we're gonna have a ton of fun with this. I've never made soap before, but it's gonna it'll be an interesting day. I'm really jacked for this product. But before we unbox it, let's first check out that listing.
All right,
Let's go.
All right, Joel, let's tear down this listing. We got it open right here. First impression, I really like this product photography. It shows me everything that it comes with. It comes with these really cool cutters. I'm kind of excited to find out how those work.
Yep.
It tells you the size of everything. It tells you that it makes 42 ounces of soap.
Yep.
It shows you the dimensions of the cutters. It shows flexible material, easy to clean. I like that.
That's awesome.
It's just some features and benefits in the images. That's great.
I love seeing infographics like this, Adam. It's like you're giving your customers instructions before they've even received the product. If they lost the instructions or something, or if they kind of are confused at how the item works, you're showing them exactly how to use it in an image.
Yeah.
It's super easy to do, and it's very, very valuable. It goes a long ways.
Yeah, so by the time I get the product, I already know what I'm supposed to do.
Exactly.
Yeah. This is the only image I thought could be improved. I do like the idea of having pictures of soap in it. That's one thing missing. I probably wouldn't have done it this way. It's not awful, but there's definitely some room for improvement.
There's a ton going on here, Adam. I think if you added a human element of a person either making the soap or something, made it a little bit more fun. Maybe you had kids making their soap with like their mom or something. That would have made it a little bit more fun looking than kind of just all these images
put together.
thrown together. Yeah. So, Adam, the next thing I want to go through that I love, we haven't seen any other products do this in the series yet. They're taking one product and they're really expanding upon that line. And they're not really making it super complicated. First, they started off with soap mold. Then they just added a 2-pack. Super easy to do. You go just ask your supplier, can you just put this in a pack of 2? And then finally, they probably found a problem where people need to cut the soap, and so they added these additional tools. I love it. There's 3 totally different options for different customers with different price points, and it was just an awesome way for them to make additional revenue. But something that I would love to see is like a soap making kit where I don't have to go to the grocery store and buy all the supplies, and it just comes in one bundle. So I'd love to see you run that on Keyword Scout and see how that keyword's doing.
Yeah, well, Joel, I actually already did some keyword research around soap making kit while I was looking into this niche. And you can see here that soap molds has like the highest search volume, so they're doing good. It is more competitive, but they're still killing it in that category. But when we went over to soap making kit, although you'll see some of the products are different, when we ran that Jungle Scout Chrome extension, we actually found that the opportunity score was a little bit better. So this is a great next step for this company to make a lot more money and sell in a really good opportunity.
This is fantastic, Adam.
Yeah.
I definitely think that would be a really great extra bundle that they can add to this product.
This listing was pretty hard to tear apart. They're doing a lot of things right. Why don't you tell us some more about that?
Adam, these guys are doing everything right. They're all the stuff that we want to see. We've been preaching about this stuff this entire series. They have an incredible title, loaded with keywords. They're bullets. Clearly, they hired someone that's a copywriter or they know copywriting. These bullets are fantastic. product photography they did not cheap out on. You move down, they trademarked the company. They have enhanced brand content. It's the perfect bundle, and it's like, this is why they're making the money that they are.
Yeah.
They invested in a really great team to make an incredible listing for them, and it's paid off.
Yeah, and they even have great reviews. There's like, it was really hard to tear this one apart.
It was very hard.
Yeah.
I want to see their emails, though.
Yeah.
Let's head over to those, see what those look like.
Let's check it out.
Let's go. Adam, I got some tough news, man.
What is it, Joel?
I thought this was going to be the perfect listing. I thought they would get 100% today.
Yeah.
But they failed us.
What? Are you serious? What happened?
Man, they don't have a single email. Like, now I see why they only have 10 reviews. Not a single email is being sent out to customers. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, that's always such a disappointment. It's such an easy thing to do. It helps you get reviews.
Yeah.
And it only takes about 10 minutes to make an awesome email.
How can we help them?
Well, Joel, I've gone ahead this time. I made another email for them using JumpSend.
Okay.
As if I was the soap company.
Awesome.
And it took me only about 10-15 minutes. Subject line, hi Joel, see our fun soap recipes inside.
Awesome.
They would get this email after they purchase the product.
Okay.
Here's something you can do while you wait for your purchase. These make great gifts, you know, some ideas for what they can do with their soap. The basic ingredients for making soap. While you wait for your order, go grab some of this basic ingredients.
Yeah.
Coconut oil, olive oil, palm oil, sodium hydroxide, and shea butter.
Awesome.
Attached to this email, there's a bunch of soap recipes, so you're like ahead of the game once they open this email.
So this is what they receive as soon as they make their order. Then you would add a couple more emails.
Yeah.
And you would ask them for a review later on.
Yeah, of course.
How many emails do you think a company should have?
Yeah, usually we recommend at least 2, but up to 3.
Up to 3.
So we'd send them an initial email. You want to introduce yourself. This could also go out after the product's been shipped.
Yeah.
But it could also go after their purchase has been made as like a confirmation, an introduction.
Yeah.
You're giving them some value here. You're telling them what they can do while they wait.
Yeah.
And then a third email would be just like a reminder. So maybe they didn't use the product yet. They weren't ready to review.
Yeah.
So you send a follow-up about a week, maybe sometimes up to 2 weeks later.
Awesome. That was really helpful, Adam.
Yeah.
Thanks so much. Let's move on.
All right, guys, we've torn down the listing. We've shown how we can improve emails. Joel, tell everyone how we graded this product today.
Today we used the Amazon Unboxing Scorecard. This is what we used to tear down all of our products in the series. If you want a copy of it, you can download it for free in the description below.
And don't forget to stick around to the end where we reveal the final score that we give this product.
Adam, are you ready to make some soap?
Yeah, Joel, let's do it.
Let's unbox this baby. Woo!
Oh, yeah.
We got,
Actual kit over here.
this is really nice. It's made out of like pretty solid wood.
All right, guys, we unboxed the soap mold kit. We got it out of the packaging. Joel, what do you think?
Adam, the packaging, it needed some work. It just had this bubble wrap, which it does protect it, but you can't give it away as a gift for anyone. Also, it just came in this like plastic bag. No suffocation warning. Very, very bad.
Yeah.
You gotta have a suffocation warning if you're gonna have bags like this. I believe if it's over 7 inches. You gotta check Amazon's terms of service though, but make sure to always have a suffocation warning on your bags. What do you think about the product though?
I don't know. I actually really like it. I was actually really impressed with the cutters.
The quality of them?
Yeah, this is like really sturdy, really high
nice.
quality. The wood handles are
Yeah.
really nice. About the packaging as well, there was no inserts. There's no instructions on how to use it.
Yeah.
Really easy stuff to add. Not that hard. Even a piece of paper like we saw in one of the other episodes was really good.
Something very simple.
Yeah, a Ziploc bag as packaging, you know, I'm not wowed or anything. Of course, we didn't pay very much for this product, so I think that's fine.
Yeah.
But, you know, there's definitely room to improve here.
Totally. It seems to be pretty solid though. It's made out of rubber. You could flip it inside out if you need to clean it.
Yeah.
Seems like it'd be pretty simple to make soap in there. It's made out of wood. Seems pretty solid. A nice
Yeah.
like strong box. You can't break it.
Yeah, it's.
I think it's a pretty decent product, Adam.
I'm actually. I kind of want to make some soap, Joel. What about you?
Yeah, man. Sounds great. That's the only thing we got left to do. Let's go do it.
All right.
So we're back from the craft store. We got our soap that is pre-melted. Now we have our dyes. We have no idea what we're doing, so this is our very first time making soap, but let's give it a try and see how we do and what we come up with.
I'm super excited, Joel.
Try a zigzag or something.
Try now because.
What does blue, yellow, and red mean?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Let's find out.
I think it'll look really fun.
It might look cool.
Well, let's let that dry, and we will see you guys in about an hour.
Yeah. Okay. We'll be back. We'll be back to cut our soap. All right, guys. We're back. We've got our soap. It's hardened now. Should we take it out?
Let's take it out.
Let's. Oh, look.
Oh, look how fun our soap turned out.
This is kind of cool. Of course we.
So it turns out red,
Okay, yeah.
blue, and yellow makes green.
Yeah, it does. So we make some green soap. There you go.
Ooh.
There you go. I mean, it's actually not very green, but hey.
So these
this
ones
is our
cut
first.
like flat.
Yeah. Probably want a bigger size.
So it
Right.
comes in
Got
many
some-
different shapes and
Yeah.
forms.
This is actually really fun.
Look at that.
Look, okay, now you can see how it's sort of blended. So
Tried.
we tried, guys.
I like the green.
look at
though.
that.
It's like a nice teal color.
Yeah,
That's really fun.
yeah, awesome.
This is a sweet product.
I liked it.
Adam, I think the only thing we have left to do is tally up the score, and we're gonna see how this product did.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Out of 150 potential points today, they got a score of 117. That's 78%. We wish we could have gave them a lot better score, but they just had some very simple things that they missed out on. Adam, tell them what they missed.
So the main thing that we noticed about this product, it didn't come with instructions. That would have really helped these guys out a lot. There was no emails, so I feel like they're missing out on a bunch of reviews. And I mean, the packaging was okay. It came in a Ziploc bag.
Yeah.
Could have been a little bit better, but
Yeah.
otherwise, it was really hard to give a score that like wasn't perfect.
Yeah.
Joel, they did a lot of great things.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Adam, they did so many great things. I actually really, really love this product, and I want to sell it. It's so great. I love the bundling. They had a great title. They have really nice images that enhance brand content. I want them to do so much better, but unfortunately, they lost some really easy points. Thank you so much for watching today's episode of Amazon Unboxing. If you haven't already, please check out the Jungle Market. We have pre-vetted Amazon freelancers that are looking to help you grow your Amazon business. We got photographers, copywriters, product researchers. We got them all. Check out thejunglemarket.com.
And head over to jumpsend.com, send better emails to your Amazon customers, promote your product to over 100,000 ready-to-purchase shoppers, and increase your product search rank. We hope this episode of Amazon Unboxing has inspired you to start selling on Amazon. Don't forget to download the free scorecard in the description below.
If you enjoyed today's episode, smash that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and we will see you in the next episode.
See ya.